video elements, add cards and end screens to show your audience related videos, websites, and call to action. Subtitles and captions. Add subtitles and captions to your video to reach a broader audience. End screen. Add visual elements to the end of your video. Your video must be 25 seconds or longer to add an end screen. Cards. Add interactive content to your video. Close the panel to save your changes. Coming up next, it's checks. Checks will be seen in the next video.